What's up, y'all? Bitcoin BMW, and today got a short little video about changing the wheel center caps. Super easy, takes less than 10 minutes to do all 4 tires. Check it out. Okay guys, so what we have here is my old BMW center cap on my wheels. As you can see, it's torn up around the sides, all beat up. And what we're doing is we're going to install some of these new carbon fiber ones. So much nicer and shiny. It's gonna make the car pop. So what we do is they come like this, little 3M tape on the back or whatever this is. So we're just gonna peel this off, lay it on the center, just like that. Boom. And now we're ready to go install them. Okay, so I already took off my old center cap. Right here, I just pried it out with my box cutter. Super easy, take it easy around the edges. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab our new emblem, line it up. So it's gonna go like this. And there we go. That's all she wrote. On to the next one. So as you can see, if you can see here, emblem's all tore up, beat up. Gonna slide this in here real quick. This. Slide it in there. Pop it out. So easy. Get the new one. Line up this right there. And push it in. Rims look 100% better already. All right, now to the last two. Okay, we're recording?
Yeah.
Okay, just pop this in here. Get it out. That's it. New one. Line it up with the M symbol, and ooh-wee, that looks nice. All right, last one. Pop it out. Look at that. Night and day. Big difference. So once again, we're going to line it up with the M. I'm going to put it right here. M lines up with that M. And press her on. That's it. That's all it takes. Super easy, less than 10 minutes, and we got all 4 of the emblems changed out. Okay, that's it.